Good afternoon, Parkland. Today is Wednesday, February 1st. It is Groundhog's Day Eve. It is a Day 5 A schedule. I'm Kendall Samley.
And I'm Brooke Miller. Welcome back to Parkland TV. Parkland TV is proud to announce our first annual live broadcast of the National Groundhog Day ceremony in Punxsutawney, PA. Tune in bright and early to Parkland TV tomorrow, February 2nd from 6 to 7:45 a.m. to see Punxsutawney Phil live.
March for Our Lives Club will be holding their annual carnation drive to raise funds and awareness for the March for Our Lives Foundation. Sales will be during all lunches February 6th through February 9th. You may purchase a flyer for $2 and choose to attach an optional note. Make sure to know your friend's third period classroom on both even and odd days before purchasing a carnation. The flyers will be distributed on Valentine's Day in memory of the 17 lives lost during the shooting at Stoneman Douglas High School 5 years ago. Help spread kindness by sending a flower to someone you love.
The Take a Break Club will be hosting its annual basket raffle, starting just in time for Valentine's Day. Tickets will be on sale at all lunches from Monday through Friday next week. The price is $1 per ticket or $5 for 6 tickets. Come help support families with cancer and have a chance to win one of these fun baskets, including movie time, baking bonanza, Valentine, beauty and self-care, gift cards galore, and more.
There is a mandatory National History Day meeting today in D212 at 3 p.m. They will be registering for the regional competition.
The Student Senate is again hosting the Are You Smarter Than a Teacher contest on February 13th after school in C210 and C220. If you think that you and your friends are smarter than a teacher, form a team of 4 to 5 friends, create a team name, and sign up with Mrs. Wood in D219 by today. Entrance fee is $5 per team. Snacks will be provided. This is your chance to show off your intellect. Last year's student winners earned a trophy and bragging rights for 1 year. Please consider entering this contest. If you can't form a team of 4 to 5, see Mrs. Wood and she can add you to another team. Don't forget the deadline to sign up is today.
On Tuesday, February 7th, there will be a general membership meeting for the Leo Club in the auditorium at 7. Make sure every effort to attend. This meeting will kick off the annual duck race for 2023.
In sports news, last night girls basketball beat Northampton 38-24. Tonight wrestling will face Dieruff home at 7. Good luck.
Make sure to follow our YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter at Parkland TV Film and check out our website, parklandtvfilm.org, for updates, broadcasts, and exclusive content. I'm Kendall Samley.
And I'm Brooke Miller. Have a great day, Parkland. Now a brief message about tomorrow's schedule and assembly.
On Thursday, February 2nd, we have a modified assembly schedule shown on the screen. The assembly includes a video and a speaker. Our speaker is Chris Herron, who struggled with addiction during his time in the NBA, founded the Herron Project, which is a drug prevention and rehabilitation program. The assembly will take place during our extended third period. Starting at 8:50, there will be a video presentation in your classrooms. When prompted over the PA announcements, your teacher will guide you to a specific area in the gym where you will be seated. No bags and backpacks will be allowed in the gym during the presentation, so please, leave all of your belongings in your classroom. These following classes will be seated on the left shown on the screen: A Wing, C Wing, Lower D Wing classrooms. The following will be on the right shown on the screen: B Wing and Upper D Wing classrooms. If you are in PE or in cafeteria study halls, you will be seated at the far end of the gym. Please be sure to give the speaker your respect and attention during the presentation.